guys, I can't stop yawning today. Okay, I have a haul in my share, my project share. I wanted to show you guys what I made. Oh, and I'll show you how to as well. Okay, so what I have, oh no, is my 11 by 14 picture frame. Let me lift you guys up. And I made 80 roses, well, flowers. And then I put these little butterflies I had made a really long time ago. And I was like, well, they're white, so they'll be perfect. This is a frame I got at the Dollar Tree. And then the glass is behind here. And then I put some cardstock, just with some double-sided tape. And I stuck it on there, and that's the finished project. Let me see. There we go. So I'm gonna leave, I guess, the frame the way it is and just hang it in the craft room like this, because maybe I don't know. I was thinking of like putting some vines, adding ribbon, but I don't know, I kind of like it like this. So let me show you how I did it. The flowers are 3 different styles. 1, 2, and then it's hard to tell. I think, oh, this one, 3. My favorite one are these because they're the easiest. So what I did, you can do it whatever size you want. These are made with 6 by 6 paper. Well, that's how I had it, so 6 by 6. And then you don't have to, but if you have a quilling tool, all you do, and I learned this after, you know, making a million, just kind of, and if whatever side the pattern you want, make sure it's on the inside. So I'm rolling and you see the white. Okay, so if you don't have a quilling tool, that's fine. You just do like this, over and over and over. Make it really, really tight. That way, when we glue it, it'll unroll to the size you want. Like, you can control what size you want it by how much you let it out. So see, this is your base right here. So what I do, let me zoom you in, is I let it go a little bit. See how that does? And then, oh, my glue gun's hot. Glue, glue, press it. Okay, and then there it is. Cute, right? And then if you want, like on some of them, you can bend the flowers out, or the petals, excuse me. And then that's how I did 80. Probably made more, but yeah, I didn't use them all on here. So anyway, that's my little project share. Tell me what you guys think. The glass is still behind here. I didn't want it to be too flimsy, and then I just think it's pretty. Okay, so Paige Evans cut file. If you don't have a quilling tool, that's fine too. Let me show you what I got today at Stupid Michael's. I hate that store, you know? It's like I wanted this paper pad that everybody's been hauling, and nothing is on sale. Nothing. No Halloween. It's like, what the heck? I'm sure everybody's seen this one. Let me move this out of the way. Oh, good grief. There's not a time I don't like hit the camera. I swear it. Okay. Everybody's hauling this. They had no ephemera. Not sure if there was any, but I had to get it. I'm sure everybody's seen it, but I really wanted to do a pastel Halloween like I did a pastel Christmas last year with snow days. I loved snow days. That was one of my favorites. Oh, it's coming apart, so perfect. I'm sure everyone has seen this. Do I have to? Ugh. I'm excited. And then when you get the wood pieces from the Dollar Tree, you can definitely paint them to make ephemera and match the colors. So this one reminds me of like Cinderella. Is that who was at the pumpkin carriage? I love that too. Okay, and then I got this. I did use my 40% off. This was the last one. I love vintage Halloween ephemera. Like, if I could be anything in the world, that's what I would be. Vintage Halloween ephemera. Okay, what does that say? For external use only. Okay. So, let's put this in a little tray while we look at it. See, there's one left in there. I love that. Oh, this is just a little tag. Yeah, look at that head. Oh, I love it. These are creepy little medicine things. Look at that. I love vintage ephemera. When I go to like the flea markets, antique stores, I always try my best to find like postcards, photos. I have them hanging around my craft room, some in my living room down here. Look at these guys. Oops. I love this stuff. I love this stuff. Oh, it's so cute. So, ew, I hate bugs though. Ah! Poison. Okay. Oh, I love that guy. I love it all. So I'm glad I got that. I love all this. Okay, so I got that. That was at Michael's. So then I went to Tuesday morning to see what they had, and this lady was in the craft aisle with her phone loud, like she was jamming out to music. I'm thinking, okay, you don't need headphones. Anyway, whatever. It was weird. It was awkward because I don't know. Anyway, I don't know. It was weird. This is the Here and There. I got that to go with it. And then there was this. I love that. And then this. All the Here and There's they had were all bent up, so I don't know. So I got that. This looks like it goes with it. I don't know if it does, but it looks like it might. I don't know. Okay, the next one I got was Wild Heart. So I got that. I think those collections kind of go together. Oh, those are pretty. And then I got this ephemera. That's fun. And then I got this. I like these. These would be cute, like if I want to make more of those roller skates. Look how cute that looks. They're pretty. Like the roller skates, like this. I think that's a neat little touch. I love this little skate. No, it doesn't want to stay up where I had it. Okay. This, I thought this was, yeah, it's pretty, I think it can be pretty or spooky. So I could like kind of make that like a cemetery gate for Halloween if I wanted. So I got that. That was $3.99. I have this already that I got from Hobby Lobby, but I haven't used it. I'm just hoarding it, but I just think it's so pretty. I love that. And I think there's some watercolor pads or paper, yeah, too. And the last thing I got, which I always pass up, but oh my gosh, I'm a mess. I'm glad I got it. Look how pretty these colors are. And I do my planning. I love planning. I love those colors. So I got that. I'm glad I did. And that was my haul. So tell me what you think about the flower frame, and thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna craft.